Hi again, this is the second part of the video, and for 8 passenger arrive, we got that formula, which is 10 choose 8 times 0.8 to the 8 times 0.2 to the 10 minus 8, which is 2, and we've got the answer according to that formula. So, for the plane to take off full, we'll have, as I said before, 10 passenger arriving, or 9 passenger arriving, or 8 passenger arriving. Then the probability for the plane to take off will be P of 8 plus P of 9 plus P of 10, because in probability, where the possibility are gapping by or, we use the sign plus. So do you want to calculate, Saka, please? Your screen. 0.
0.66778.
Thank you. Okay, let's jump to the second question. The second question is the aircraft takes off with at least 2 empty seats. With at least 2 empty seats. That means that we will have 2 seats empty, or more than 2 seats empty. So actually, the plane has 8 seats, and we've got 10 passengers who have booked. If one of them comes, the probability of one of them comes will be P of 1. And if we had it with P of 2, P of 3, P of 4, P of 5, P of 6, P of 7, and P of 8, sorry, I forgot, P of 0, which means that the plane take us empty, so none of them has come. So if you had all of those probability, we'll end up with 1. I just forgot P of 9 and P of 10, because we've got 10 booked. So the probability that the plane take off with 2 empty seats, that means that we've got 2 seats empty, or more than 2 seats empty. And to calculate it, this is the range, 2 empty seats. This is the range, and we can't calculate all of those because it will be too long. So what will we do? We'll just calculate this and that, and because we know that all of those sum up to 1, if we have that probability and that one, we add it together and we deduct it to 1, we'll have the answer of the second question. So let's just calculate the probability of the plane you're right.
Okay, go on.
Let's calculate the probability of the plane with no empty seats.
Can we work out that in part 1?
Sorry?
We worked out in part 1.
Yeah, we vector in power 1. The probability of no empty seat means that the plane takeoffs full, and it is the same answer with that one. You just calculate it, which is 0.6778, and
Because the probability of empty seats is the
it's full
same.
seat.
Exactly, yeah.
The plane takeoffs full. So the plane with one empty
Seats.
seat. Remember that we've got 10 booking, and if the plane take off with one empty seat, that means that only 7 passengers arrives. It is not 7 out of 8, but it is 7 out of 10 passengers who had booked. Yeah?
Can you repeat this, please?
Yeah. Remember that we've got 10 book, and the plane has only 8 seats. So if the plane take off with one empty seat, that means only 7 passengers arrives. So if it is not 7 passengers out of 8, but 7 passengers out of 10 passengers who have booked. So the probability with one empty seat will be 10 choose 7 times our success, which is 0.8, to the 7 times our fail, which is 0.2, to the 10 minus 7, which is 3. Can someone calculate, please? Do you want me to repeat again? It's fine, yeah.
0.201.
0.201. So we've got the probability of one person, one empty seat and 0 empty seat. As I explained before here, you just have to add them together and deduct it from 1. So the probability of the second question, the answer of the second question will be just 1 minus 0.6778 plus 0.201. So the answer will be
0.1212.
0.1212.
That's it.
Thank you very much.